Welcome back, and this is a weekly podcast of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. And this is Da Wong, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in bursamarketplace.com. Alright, this week we're going to continue on the videocast based on the FCPO trading in the active month June, which is listed in the Bursa Malaysia, and the outlook will cover from this week 23rd up to the 27th in the month of March in the year 2015. Alright, very quickly, let us start off looking at the weekly chart here. Alright, we realize that the market has been dropping for the last 3 weeks, and there could be a small rebound for this coming week, 23rd up to the 27th March. Well, as we can see that the open interest has been decreasing on last week, alright, on the whole week. And basically last week there were two important news that I think all the traders should be taking note. And the first one is that the Indonesia is considering of lowering the export taxes of the CPO to compete with Malaysia. Alright, and the second news is the drop-off of the dollar index last week, which actually helped to lift all the agricultural commodity prices, and that also staged a rebound in the FCPO prices. Alright, from the weekly chart, let us move across to the day chart. As you can see here, alright, on last week the market closed on Friday at a price of 2155, and that was 2,115 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices. And from the weekly chart we mentioned earlier, there could be a rebound for this week, but let us take a look at the day chart here. Alright, what we can see here is that there is a very strong bottom and support in the region of 2,100 because of these multiple bottoms in case the market comes off for this week. But taking the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom of the recent price range, we see that there could be a possibility if the market rebounds, then it might actually move up to 33%, which is 1/3, around 2220. Alright, 2220 if the market goes up here. So this week we are still looking, of course, on the bearish side of the market, but there is a possibility if it goes sideways and rebounds up, then we are looking a market pull up to possibly go up to 2220, and the downside support will be still pretty firm at 2,100 if it happens to come down. So trade well and control your risk for the FCPO in the June delivery contract for this week, 23rd up to the 27th in the month of March 2015. Alright, and trade well, and it will be much better if you happen to plan your trading strategy by catching a short entry based on the pull-out retracement. Thank you very much for staying with us, and thank you to Oriental Pacific Futures for hosting the program. This is Da Wong here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in bursamarketplace.com. If you have interest to open an account and enjoy a special commission below the board rate, please call this number 603-218-8848 and look for Ryan Chua. And don't forget the code Da Wong in order to get this special price. And if you want to get a trial lock-in for the charting and data of DZH next view, call JC or message to him at 6016-280-2227. Thank you very much, and do come back next week. I shall continue to give you a more update. Bye bye.